Do you want Git to ignore some files and folders from your project? That's easy. All you need to do is create a gitignore file. This is a simple text file that tells Git what to ignore. These files and folders won't show up when you run git status, and they won't be included in your commits. In the root of your project, create a new file named gitignore. Then, you will need to list the files and directories you want Git to ignore one by line. Here is how you would ignore a specific file. Here's how to ignore all files of a certain type. And here's how you can ignore a directory and all its contents. You can also use the exclamation mark operator to negate the pattern. In this example, Git will ignore everything in the config directory except for this specific file. Now, if you've already committed a file by mistake, adding it to gitignore won't stop Git from tracking it. You'll need to first remove it from the repository's index using git rm-cached. This command removes the file from Git's tracking, but keeps it in your local directory. Now you can add it to your gitignore file, and Git will ignore it from now on. Finally, let's see how we can do this in Tower. You can simply right-click any file in the working copy to add it to gitignore, and you can see what files and folders you're currently ignoring by accessing the project settings. You can also find templates for gitignore files for almost any programming language by visiting the Tower website and accessing the free gitignore generator.